Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Sun token, Sun Crypto on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser and first log into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance account, from the home page of Binance, go to the trade icon at the top left hand side and click on Advanced. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Since you're going to buy some Sun token, make sure that you are clicked on this buy option. Now, go to the top left hand side and click on this drop down over here, and in the search box, search for Sun. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that there is an option that says Sun. Go ahead and select if you'd like to buy Sun token using USDT, or you can also buy it with BUSD. Select on your choice and give it a click. In the right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see the price detail right here. It is showing that the current price of one Sun token is around this much USDT. As you can see on the price tab, type in the amount of Sun that you'd like to buy. For example, let me just type in up to 10. It is showing me the amount that I need to pay for that right in the total tab over here at the bottom. Finally, after you are done typing in the amount that you'd like to purchase, click on Buy Sun at the bottom. That is how you can easily buy Sun token or Sun crypto on Binance, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.